Hello everyone. I hope you are doing extremely well. So today we are going to solve another important lead code SQL problem, which is the customers who never order. Okay. So in this video we will learn about the left join and null handling and filtering the unmatched records. So in this video I will explain everything step by step. So let's start. So the problem statement here in a question we give us two tables, which is the customer and second one is the order, and our task is find the customer who never ordered anything. Okay, we have a two tables, which is first one is the customer table and second one is the orders. So we need to return the those customer who never ordered. Okay, so for example, here in a customers table, you can see the ID, which is 1234, and name is the Joe, Henry, Sam, and Max. And this table contains customer information. This is our customer information. And the orders table, the ID is 1 and 2, and customer ID 3 and 1. So this table contains order information. As simple as that. Okay. So now let's understand the data. So who placed the order? Means that now let's see in a order tables. In order tables, the customer ID is 3. Okay, so the customer ID is 3. So customer with ID equal to 3 is. So in this table, then customer table, we will check that customer which ID is 3. Sam. So it means Sam placed an order. As simple as that. Order 2, this is the order 1, and now this is order 2. In order 2, customer ID is 1. Now we will check in customers table ID, whose ID is 1, which is Joe. So customer ID is 1. So Joe also placed an order. Okay. Who did not order? Okay. Now let's check all the customers. So Joe placed order, Henry not placed order, Sam placed, and Max not placed. Okay, so our final answer is that Henry and Max. Henry and Max never placed order. So the important observation, now think carefully, we need to all customer and then check whether matching records exist or not. Are you getting my point? Okay, this means we should use lab to join. Okay, as earlier videos I have already talked about the left join, so that's why I will not tell you in this video the left join, as all of you know that what is the left join, but I will explain this uh, question through the real life example. For example, imagine the customer table equal to all students. Imagine, just imagine hypothetically. So order table equal to and order table equal to students who submitted the homework. Okay. Now, if teacher asks you which student did not submit the homework, then what will your answer? Your answer will be, so we first take all the students, then check whose homework record is missing. Okay. So this is the simple approach that we need to apply to find out the answer. The student which never submitted the homework, who's never submitted the homework. So now let's move on to the query parts. Then you can understand the question very well. So yeah, let's select customers dot name as customers. Okay, select customers dot name as customer. So we want the customer name in output. Okay, from customers. Okay, from the customer table. We want the customer from the customer tables. And now let's apply the left join. Left join orders. Got it? It means that we are joining the orders table with the customer table. Okay. This is the order table and this is the customer table. Using the left join, we are joining the order table with the customer table. And on customer dot id equal to orders dot customer id. So this condition match order customer id with order customer id. Means this line means customer id, which is this, and the order customer id, which is this 3 and 1. Okay. Now apply the where clause. Where order dot customer id is null. So this is the most important line. Are you getting my point? This is the one of the most important line that we need to understand. Okay. It means that so only those customer record who matching order does not exist. Null means whose matching order does not exist. So when no matching orders is found, SQL fills right table columns with null. Got it? So this is our final query. Okay. So now let's break down the query. This is the select statement. Using the select statement from customer. So using the slash select statement and select all the data from customer table, which is pick the all the data like 1 2 3 4 and name Joe, Henry, Sam and Max. And step 2, left join orders. Using the left join orders, after joining, the table looks like the name like name, which is the Joe, which customer ID is 1, and Henry, which customer ID is null. Are you getting my point? Something like that. Okay. Then Sam, customer ID 3, and Max, customer ID null. Something like that. Now I hope you are understand this concept very well. So this is the condition after applying the left join. And in a this step, using the where clause, filter rows where order does not exist. Okay, here you can see the null. It means that this order does not exist. Customer ID, the customer which who does not place the order name. Okay, so customer ID 1, it means Joe remove and Henry keeps, and this is the Joe customer ID 1. So customer ID 1, it means Joe remove. Henry 2 customer ID, which is not present in this order table. It means this is our answer. And 3 Sam. Sam customer ID is 3 and customer ID in order table is 3. It means this Sam placed order. So again, the max ID is 3, which is not present in a customer order table, and customer ID also not present into this table. So that's why we return the max as well. So our answer is the Henry and Max. Our final answer. So yes, so this is the final query where you can see. So Now let's run this query. Okay, so in a customer ID, unknown column, customer ID. So I think there is a problem. I think customer's ID. Yeah, this is it. So now let's submit. Yeah, I've accepted. So guys, this was the complete explanation of the customer who never orders problem. And I hope you are understand the concept clearly. And if this video helped you, then like this video, share with friends, and subscribe to the channel, and also comment down with the SQL problem you want next. See you in next tutorial, and thank you so much.